Alam mo actually, hindi ko alam kung kailan mag-viral kasi minsan yung ine-expect ko na mag-viral. And I don't do it for para mag-viral. I'm just really strongly opinionated. Di ko rin iniisip na today I wake up, I want to get mad at somebody. But I guess because I'm a strongly opinionated person, marami talaga akong masasabi, ganyan. Yeah, I don't want to always be mad. Sometimes I get tired because I'm like, dude, I'm trying to share a good thing here. Like, I'm trying to make all of us think. And often when that happens, it gets out of hand and it doesn't really get taken for the thing that I originally wrote it for. Naisip ko lang, ano pa expect mo? Ba't ka ba nagsulat ng ganun? Diba? Parang ako din napapa-step back ako na, huwag ka na kasing mag-try ng ganyan.